Hi, my name's Juana. I'm a member of the team here at Cloom. Today we'll be discussing ceiling tile installation types and some things to consider before selecting tiles for your space. Generally speaking, there are two main categories of ceiling tile installation: drop and glue up. A drop ceiling, sometimes called a lay-in or suspended ceiling, is a secondary ceiling installed below the main structural ceiling. It consists of a lightweight grid system paired with ceiling tiles and is designed to hide exposed pipes, ducts, and fixtures while providing easy access to them. Standard ceiling grid has a width of about 1 inch, and slimline ceiling grid has a width of about ½ of an inch. All of Cloom's Featherlight ceiling tiles are designed to be installed in standard drop ceiling grid systems, and most of Cloom's signature ceiling tiles can be installed in either standard or slimline grid systems. Many signature styles can also be used to reface an existing ceiling, which involves sliding new tiles into place beneath existing ones. Refacing completely changes the look of a ceiling without drastically changing its existing acoustic and thermal insulation properties. Glue-up ceiling tiles are mounted directly to smooth, clean, and firm installation surfaces using adhesive. Cloom offers two kinds of glue-up ceiling tiles: flush joint and lap joint. Flush joint tiles butt together when installed, and self-adhering strips are required to cover the joints between tiles. Lap joint tiles have overlapping edges, which make them simple to align during installation and require no extra strips. Installation information for each tile can be found on individual product pages, and ceiling tiles can also be sorted and filtered by installation type within our online store. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Cloom.